energy of Swami Vivekananda is very clear, disciplined, strong, compassionate, the force that uplift humanity. But when youth loses his direction, his or her directions, their directions, when wounds remain unhealed, this same energy turn into against itself, it collapses into addictions, the alcohol, smoking, drugs, distractions, escapism, it's dissolved into anger, lust, criticism, hatred, violence, duality. The mind become very restless, the heart become very numb, and the creations become distractions. And then we see it in our cultures right now, in world cultures, the dark humor, dark memes, dark cinema, dark song, dark music, art that no longer inspire, music that no longer nourishes, movies that glorify violence, vulgarity, abuse, nudity, chaos, crime, because the unhealed souls can only create from its wound actually. But when you chooses awareness, that's the important. When the masculine energy become conscious, something miraculous happens, something shifted. The same masculine or feminine put both the same fire become innovations, the same intensity become art, the same strength become science, and the same passions become service, so that's the transformations, because energy neither create nor destroy, only transform, and transform in better way, because a healed youth, conscious youth create a healed world. And that's why it's very essential right now, let our youth rise, let their energy transform in better way, let them become the Vivekanand within. From when youth is conscious, aware, they invent, build, teach, protect, uplift, and peace become possible, only possible. But right now I just only in note point mention ki right now it's a money, money is two options, it's come from Rahu and Jupiter in astrology aspects, and it's a divine and opposite of divinity, and it's like bad and good. But when it's an energy, but when someone operate from unhealed wounded hearts, they having already energy of black money, and some having white money. But the name, fame, and the fake influence, that when you are using the dark meme, dark things, you have already money of the dark things, you have the consequence of karma, not in this lifetime, next lifetime, it's a carry forward with you, because you have using your dark shadow self to create energy. And when someone heal their self, they use the white energy to bring abundance. So that's the importance, and that's the love, harmony, peace, only permanent this lifetime, next lifetime, eternal. That the someone who just uses their white energy and the Jupiter energy to create wealth. So it's very essential, when you inspire someone from the dark, being their success, superficial influencer success, you have to note down. So they are using this the Rahu energy, the black energy, the shadow self to create a money. And that's the very essential notes. As a youth, you have to be very conscious about the thing. So अभी के लिए इतना ही.